Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're showing you how to install a fence around your garden pond for safety and style. First, safety and security. An open pond can be a hazard for kids and pets. Installing a fence creates a safe barrier, giving you peace of mind. Step 1. Plan and gather materials. Measure your pond's perimeter and choose a fence style that matches your garden. Tools you'll need include stakes, string, a post hole digger, and screws. Step 2. Mark your layout. Use stakes and string to outline where your fence will go. This ensures an even and accurate setup. Step 3. Install the fence posts. Dig holes about 2 feet deep for stability. Place the posts, check their level, and secure them with concrete or packed soil. Step 4. Attach the fence panels. Secure them to the posts with screws or brackets. Make sure the height is adequate to prevent access while maintaining a stylish look. Let's recap. Step 1. Plan your layout and gather materials. Step 2. Mark the fence path with stakes and string. Step 3. Install sturdy fence posts. Step 4. Attach panels securely. Finally, add paint or stain to protect your fence and enhance its appearance. And that's it, a safe, stylish fence for your pond. If you found this CAAN tip helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.